Hi guys, I think we do have few curious audience who are anxious to know about MS in US. So when we speak about MS program, mostly it's a STEM program. And for those of you who are not aware of a STEM program, it's like science, technology, engineering, and mathematics, not management. Please make a note, mathematics. That's designated as a STEM program. And students intending to pursue a master's degree in these STEM programs generally is called MS in these programs. So what is the criteria for a student to pursue an MS degree? First thing is obviously a bachelor's degree with a good CGPA. Good doesn't need to be excellent or superlative. It depends on other factors of your profile as well. So if a student intends to pursue an MS degree, let's say with a bachelor's degree, a CGPA of 6.5 or 7, but has good research papers or presented in conferences or projects or internships, that will also add to their profile. So what is the worth of a MS degree in the US? So that's a very important question, something to really think about. So MS degree in the US will expose you to the global technology of the world. Obviously, US is a leader in the field of science and technology. Pursuing an MS in the US would mean you're learning from the great minds. It has access to the state-of-the-art infrastructure. So something that's going to take maybe 10 years down the line to reach India, you'll be able to expose yourself and explore it right now with an MS in the US. Apart from that, the kind of curriculum, there's a lot of flexibility in the MS curriculum that US or many other countries intend to offer. So when I say flexibility in the curriculum, what do we mean? Like, let's say you're looking for a master's MS in CS or MS in mechanical engineering or MS in mechatronics or construction management. You can pick the courses that interest you, that you're passionate about. So there are certain mandatory courses, but apart from that, it offers you a variety of courses with flexibilities, and you can pick the courses that interest you and on which you want to build your career. So this is one really interesting factor about why students want to pursue MS in US or MS internationally abroad. So yes, great. So you are able to pursue your master's degree. What next? The US also offers you summer internship, which means after having stayed for around 9 months on a student visa, that's an F1 visa, you are eligible for a summer internship. And these summer internships are paid internships. And guys, they are not like you just have to work for the prof or you work for a company and then you're paid in peanuts. If you're thinking that way, then that's wrong. You will be paid on par with anybody working in those companies, like maybe $18 to $20 an hour. So as in summer intern for 2 months, a student can make somewhere between $8,000 to $10,000 in those 2 months. Apart from that, if your performance was good, the company will also be willing to absorb you into their firms wherever they are located, worldwide locations. So an MS would obviously give you the flexibility of the courses. You can focus on the courses that you're passionate about. Apart from that, summer internships and job opportunities. And when you go for an MS in any of these STEM programs, you're eligible for a 5 years visa. Yes, you heard me right. It's a 5 years visa. So 2 years is your master's program. Some of the students also finish their master's degree in 1.5 years. So the university does provide you the flexibility, but then that kind of makes the course a little bit more on a rapid fire mode, and it might be difficult for you to catch up with other activities as well. So we generally recommend students to opt for a 2 years master's degree, and post that you are eligible for a 3 years of visa, which helps you for your OPT, your internships, your job opportunities. So that kind of helps you to pay off for your education loan or the expenses. So if you're worrying about ROI, there's nothing to worry about, guys. An MS in US, specifically a STEM program, is a wonderful program which is very well planned and it's student friendly, and it's the right program for you to explore the world as well as become the person that you dream to become. So Imperial is always available to help you out with these programs with expert guidance faculties. I am myself Dr. Vaidya, a PhD from the US, and we have many such faculty in Imperial who have studied and worked abroad. So all you need to do is Pick up your phone, call us, connect with us, and we're more than happy to help you reach your dream destination. Bye for now. Yeah.